Excited to talk to you guys today about these true wireless earbuds with a time of 16 hours with the earbuds themselves, and then with this unit I can get 150 hours of playtime. So I can attach them to any device that has Bluetooth. So I'm gonna go to my Bluetooth mode and I'm gonna look, it's gonna say S20 as the name of my device. I'm gonna connect that. It told me it was connected in my ears, and then I'm gonna pick some music to play. I can easily play. Pause. So if I need to talk to somebody, I can do that, and then I can go back to playing my music or my movie. So I love these earbuds. I think they would make a great gift for anyone or a great gift for yourself.